Escape special characters in a Python string. Does Python have a function that I can use to escape special characters in a string? For example, I'm stuck column should become I backslash stuck backslash column backslash.
Use re.escape. Repeating it here. Re.escape string returns string with all non-alphanumerics backslashed. This is useful if you want to match an arbitrary literal string that may have regular expression metacharacters in it. As of Python 3.7, re.escape was changed to escape only characters which are meaningful to regex operations.
I'm surprised no one has mentioned using regular expressions via re.sub. Important things to note. In the search pattern, include, as well as the characters you're looking for. You're going to be using, to escape your characters, so you need to escape. That as well, put parentheses around the search pattern, for example, backslash, so that the substitution pattern can use the found character when it adds, in front of it. That's what \1 does, uses the value of the first parenthesized group, the R in front of our backslash, means it's a raw string. Raw strings use different rules for escaping backslashes. To write backslash as a plain string, you'd need to double all the backslashes and write backslash. Raw strings are friendlier when you're writing regular expressions. In the substitution pattern, you need to escape, to distinguish it from a backslash that precedes a substitution group, for example \1, hence our apostrophe \1. To write that as a plain string, you'd need \1, and nobody wants that.
Use repr 1 -1. In this case, the double quotes don't need to be escaped. The -1 to 1 slices to remove the single quote from the beginning and the end. Or maybe you just want to escape a phrase to paste into your program? If so, do this.
As it was mentioned above, the answer depends on your case. If you want to escape a string for a regular expression, then you should use re.escape. But if you want to escape a specific set of characters, then use this lambda function.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.